Today,
Hello
we're
guys, good
exploring the
morning.
10 major
Ito ang
hazards of
dahilan
working in
kung
confined
bakit
spaces,
kailangan natin
making them some of the
mag-wear
most
or
challenging work
magsuot
environments.
ng full body
Confined
harness,
spaces are
especially
areas with
kung
limited
tayo
entry
po
and
ay
exit routes,
gumagamit ng
designed for
manlift.
periodic, not
Okay
continuous,
guys,
occupancy.
apart from
This includes the likes of
scaffolding na
utility vaults,
pinagtatrabahuan
pits,
natin
manholes,
at
tunnels,
mga
equipment
platform o
housings, pipelines,
temporary work
silos, and
platform na
sewers.
pinagtatrabahuan
Now,
natin,
let's
pag
move on
tayo
to the
po
hazards
gagamit ng
associated
cherry
with confined
picker at
spaces.
manlift, kailangan po
First,
ang full
atmospheric
body
hazards.
harness.
These include
Ito po
toxic
yung
gases,
restraint, yung may
vapors,
shock
or
absorber.
insufficient
Bakit
oxygen
po?
levels.
Para po
Atmospheric
pag in
hazards
case
arise
na
from both the
mag-jerk,
nature of the stored materials
mag-jump,
and the
or
external
mag-bounce yung
environment.
ating
Next,
manlift,
electrical hazards.
tayo
These
po ay
occur due to
maliligtas
exposed wires,
sa
conductive materials,
maaaring
or
pagkahulog
operational
natin
electrical
or
equipment
pagkabagsak
within the
doon
confined
sa
space.
labas ng manlift
Electrocution
kung
or
tayo
electrical
po ay
burns are
nag-ooperate
significant
ng
risks,
manlift.
particularly
Maraming
in wet
salamat
conditions
guys at
or
sana
where
po ay
protective measures
maging
are not in place.
example po
Workers
sa
in
inyo.
confined
Thank you.
spaces may also be exposed to hazardous chemicals such as
Hello
hydrogen
guys,
sulfide
good
and
morning.
carbon
Ito ang
monoxide.
dahilan
Chemical
kung
burns,
bakit
poisoning,
kailangan natin
and long-term health
mag-wear
effects can
or
occur depending
magsuot
on the
ng full
toxicity and
body
exposure
harness,
level.
especially kung
Confined
tayo po
spaces
ay
often have
gumagamit
limited
ng
access,
manlift.
which can impede both
Okay
entry
guys,
and exit in
apart from
emergencies. This can
scaffolding na
result in delayed
pinagtatrabahuan
emergency
natin
response and
at
difficulty in
mga
rescuing or
platform o
evacuating workers
temporary
quickly.
work platform na
High levels of oxygen
pinagtatrabahuan
in a
natin,
confined space
pag tayo
can be
po ay
as
gagamit
dangerous
ng
as low
cherry
levels,
picker at manlift,
particularly due to the
kailangan po
increased
ang
risk
full
of fire
body
and explosion.
harness.
Elevated
Ito po yung
oxygen levels
restraint,
can
yung may
cause
shock
materials that are
absorber.
normally
Bakit po?
non-flammable to
Para
ignite
po
easily
pag
and burn
in
intensely.
case na mag-jerk,
Risks of fire in
mag-jump,
confined
or
spaces may
mag-bounce
occur
yung
due to
ating
limited ventilation.
manlift,
Fires in confined
tayo
spaces
po
are
ay
particularly
maliligtas
dangerous due
sa
to rapid spread
maaaring
and intense
pagkahulog
heat,
natin
compounded
or
by
pagkabagsak
difficulties in
doon
escape
sa
and
labas
firefighting.
ng manlift kung
Flooding
tayo
can
po
also
ay
happen in
nag-ooperate
confined
ng
spaces
manlift.
from internal
Maraming
sources
salamat
like pipe
guys at
bursts
sana
or
po
external
ay
sources
maging
like heavy rainfall. This may
example po
result
sa
in
inyo.
drowning,
Thank you.
hypothermia, and exposure to waterborne contaminants.
Hello guys, good morning.
Confined spaces
Ito
can
ang
accumulate
dahilan kung
flammable
bakit
gases,
kailangan
vapors,
natin
or dust,
mag-wear
which can lead to
or
explosions
magsuot
if
ng
ignited.
full body
Explosions
harness,
can cause
especially
severe
kung
injury
tayo
or
po
death
ay
and significant
gumagamit ng
structural
manlift.
damage.
Okay
Extreme
guys,
temperatures,
apart
either
from
high or low, are a
scaffolding na
common hazard in
pinagtatrabahuan
confined
natin
spaces.
at
Heat can lead
mga
to heat stroke
platform o
and dehydration,
temporary
while
work
cold
platform na
conditions can cause
pinagtatrabahuan
hypothermia and
natin,
frostbite.
pag tayo po'y gagamit
Accumulation
ng
of
cherry
combustible
picker
dust
at
in confined
manlift,
spaces
kailangan
is a
po ang
significant
full
hazard.
body
Combustible
harness.
dust can lead to
Ito po yung
respiratory
restraint,
issues
yung may
or,
shock
more
absorber.
critically, dust
Bakit po?
explosions.
Para po
There
pag
you have
in
it.
case na
Understanding
mag-jerk,
these confined space
mag-jump,
hazards is
or
your first step to
mag-bounce yung
working
ating
safely in these dangerous
manlift,
environments.
tayo
Like
po ay
what you learned.
maliligtas